In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Spotify Student Premium not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, the first thing we need to do is to check your student status. So I'm going to head over to Spotify, and now I'm going to click on Premium down below on the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, I'm going to scroll down, and then where it says Student. So in order to use the student subscription inside Spotify, you must be a full-time student at a college or university that is recognized by ShareID, which is Spotify's verification partner. High school students are not eligible, so keep that in mind. And also age requirements. So you must be at least 18 years of age, and it can vary by country. And you need to make the verification through the ShareID, as I just mentioned. You need to verify your student status via ShareID, providing either one of these two: official school email address or student ID, tuition receipt, or enrollment letter. And also, time of recording, you've got an annual re-verification, so you must reapply every 12 months to keep the student discount. So yeah, if you don't have that ShareID up to date, you won't be able to continue your student subscription. And the maximum eligibility period is 4 years as well. And also country availability. So Spotify Student Premium is available in selected countries. If it's not available in yours, you won't be able to subscribe as well. So you can double check on the Spotify's website to see if your country is eligible. All right, so you can also check your payment status. So you can visit Spotify account page and see if your payment went through. If there's a payment issue, update your card details or try another payment method. The third option we can do is log out and log back in again to your Spotify account. So you can try that. That might fix your issues. And if you still having issues, you can clear your cache and restart the app. So what we can do is go back here, click and hold down the Spotify app, click onto the eye to go into app info. Then from here, you want to scroll down and click on the storage. And then we want to go ahead and click clear cache, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then from there, go back and restart the app. Another thing, you need to make sure you're actually logged in with the right account as well. So if you're running multiple accounts on your phone, make sure you're using your student account to log in. That could be one of the issues why you're having issues or having problems. And if all else fails, simply contact the Spotify support team.